Okay guys, first we are going to start with the noun. Okay, the noun is a very beautiful concept in the English language of grammar. Okay, so the noun is basically a person, place, thing, or idea. Okay, so like if I say Max is in India. Okay, so Max is a noun because it is a person, and Argentina is also a noun because it is a place. Okay, now the meaning person, place, thing, or idea is the traditional way of defining the noun, and this basically means like almost everything. Okay, this means almost like everything because everything comes under these. Okay, everything. Okay, so almost everything comes into this definition. Okay, so now let's take an example. This is Max. He is from Australia. He is a kid. Max has big dreams. Okay, these four phrases are about a kid named Max, and now we're going to find the nouns in these four phrases. Okay, so let's start doing that. This is Max. Max, it is a noun. Okay, because it is a person. But first, let's write the four categories of the noun, which is person, okay, place. Wait, I'll write it in different colors so you can understand which one I'm highlighting. Place is a thing, another color, red. Okay, person, place, thing, and idea. Okay, so Max is a noun and it is a person, so that's why I wrote it in light blue. Now we have he is from Australia. Australia is a place and place is like in green, so let's mark it with green. Okay, noun. Okay, noun. He is a kid. A kid is basically a person, so that comes under a noun of a person. Noun. Okay, oh no, sorry, wrong color. Noun. Okay, Max has big dreams. Dreams will not, it will come in things, but we can't lift it, we can't hold dreams, right? So it will come to ideas. Okay, so I'm going to mark it nouns. Okay, this is a noun. Okay, we have categorized four phrases about a kid named Max, and that's how nouns work. So I hope you learned what are nouns, and I'm going to show you different types of nouns in the next videos. So stay tuned and please support by subscribing. Bye.